a good time playing firefighters. Let's play. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hey, Polka Dots. Hi, everybody. Hi, you. It's time for Playdate. And what are we going to play? Firefighters! What do firefighters do? Oh, that's right, they put out fires. And they help people to be safe. Lesson time! Lesson time! Let's go play firefighters! Oh, hiya, dress-up chest. Lesson time! Lesson time! Let's go play firefighters!